Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Avalanche, AVAX, tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through a straightforward guide on how to transfer AVAX from Gemini to Uphold. This process is simple, but always double-check details to keep your assets secure. Crypto can be tricky. First things first, ensure you have active accounts on both Gemini and Uphold, and that you have some AVAX in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Head to the dashboard, find your AVAX balance, and click on the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Next, you'll need to select the correct network. For AVAX, make sure it's set to the Avalanche C chain to avoid any errors. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. Log in. Navigate to your wallet section and locate or create your AVAX wallet. Copy the wallet address. It's a long string of characters, so be careful not to miss any. Back in Gemini, paste that Uphold wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of AVAX you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees and estimated time. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. Gemini will process the withdrawal, and it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. After that, jump back to Uphold and refresh your wallet. You should see your AVAX arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and check your transaction history on both platforms. A couple of quick tips. Always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts for added security, and never share your wallet addresses publicly. Also, keep an eye on gas fees. They can vary based on the Avalanche network's congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your AVAX from Gemini to Uphold. This step-by-step approach keeps things easy and stress-free. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.